Okay, we're working.
Are we really?
Yeah. Okay, so we can't bounce.
Alright, okay.
We're gonna make a grill.
We're gonna teach all you lame ass motherfuckers how to make a grill.
Mine's
First you have to
crinkly.
First you have to buy this candy bar. I'm selling it for $1 for my school. Dutch Classic. This is caramel, by the way. Comes in crunchy and almond. I only have caramel and crunchy, so buy it. Take a piece of paper. You rip and rip. And then you rip a little bit more. And then you rip some more.
Stick the bitch in his teeth.
What she said.
So you have a grill?
I have a grill now.
Wow! Isn't that amazing? Buy your Dutch Classic today.